you are watching now is CSC Academy Goshaka channel. In this channel, you will get to see very good videos. So let's start. Dear friends, today I will show you how to download the certificate. Please watch this video completely. Okay, first open the Mozilla Firefox. After that, you will have to come to this page. Okay. You will have to provide your registered email ID. And after that, you have to give your username or screen name here. Okay. And log in here. After giving your page will open in this page, and here you will click on get status once. After that you will click on check from status. Okay, and type here in capital letters the application number receiving at the time of submitting your application. Okay. And search here. Now, after that, click once on download option here. After that, you will get the see your error 500 like this. So don't panic, guys. I will show you how to download the certificate. So guys, you just one click per link. You will see the last line option. Here, from here, old and delete or backspace. Okay. After, you will press enter button and see your certificate has been downloaded easily. Certificate has been properly downloaded. So to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks